Hello everyone, myself Gayatri Bajpayee. In this video, we will learn what is the difference between accuracy, precision of instruments and error in measurement. Generally, we people are confused with these three things. So we will clarify these things through this video. Okay, now start with that. The difference between accuracy and precision. Generally, we confuse between these two. In the first figure, we can see it is having high accuracy and low precision. What does it mean? What is accuracy? Accuracy gives how much your measured value is close to your true value. Here the true value. So for these figures, true value is your this red zone. Red zone is your true value. Okay, if someone is shooting to this zone, the target is this red zone, and whatever these yellow symbols, yellow and cross symbols, these are your measured value. Okay, measured value. So in this figure we can see high accuracy. Accuracy means your measured value is how much close to the true value. So here it is very much close. It is in purple zone. So they are generally, these three things are close and these two are more close. So these two are having more accuracy comparison to these three, but very low precision. What does it mean of precision? Precision shows accuracy, consistency. Okay, and accuracy shows closeness. Okay, so if you are hitting to this board and all time is hitting in a same place, although it is wrong, then it is having good consistency. It means it is having good precision. But here in this figure we can see whenever it is hitting, it is position it's getting always random position, different position it is getting. So it is not having good precision, it is having very low precision. But accuracy is good because it is very close to the true value. But for this figure is showing high precision and low accuracy. What does it mean? High precision because it is having good consistency. Whenever it is hitting in a same place. It is having, although it is having more gap between from true value to the measured value, but always having the consistency is same. Although you are getting the wrong value, but always getting the same wrong value. So it is the high precision, good consistency, but lower accuracy because it is very far from the true value. So it is not close. Closeness is very less. So it is having low accuracy but high precision. In this figure we can see, so here it is getting high accuracy and high precision. So here always whenever it is hitting, it is getting in a same position, and consistency is also good and it is closeness is also good. So it is having high accuracy and high precision. Okay, so what does it mean? That we got. What is mean of precision? It is consistency. What is mean of accuracy? It is closeness. So if your measuring instrument is having high precision but low accuracy, then can I solve it? Can I resolve it? Of course we can resolve it. We can calibrate it. Just I have given the example of vernier calipers, screw gauge. So here if your vernier calipers, as I have told you, when both the jaws are closed, at that time if the zero line of your vernier scale is matched with the zero line of your main scale, it means it is not having any error. Okay, no error, zero error. Okay, but if both the jaws or external jaws are closed, these are external jaws. Okay, external jaws. If both the external jaw are closed, at that time if your 0 of vernier scale is not matched with the 0 of main scale. So it is having some error. Okay. If it is in this direction, then it is having error. It can be possible it is in this direction also, but it is not matching. It means it is having some error. So this error, can I resolve it? Yes, we can resolve it by adding or subtracting the error value, either adding or subtracting the error value with the measured value. Okay, error value with the measured value. Measured value. So what does it mean? This type of, when it is having error, so this type of measuring device is having good accuracy or good precision, or bad accuracy or bad precision. It is having good precision because all times same wrong value we are getting. Either it is positive or it is negative. We are not getting random value. We are getting same type of error, same type of wrong value all time. So it is having good precision, but accuracy is difference. It is not close to our true value. So whatever difference between that is comes in the form of error, and we can calibrate that. So what precision, when precision is coming? Precision is coming in any instrument at the time of manufacturing. If you are making a ruler, so ruler is like that. Okay, we know the ruler one gap is 1 mm, but at the time of manufacturing they make the ruler like this. It's very big differences, but just I am showing, and some like this. So they are giving same gap? No, it is all the gaps are not 1 mm. Some 1 mm, some 0.8 mm, like that. So if you are measuring any component with this type of the ruler, can it give you a correct value anytime? No, it will not give you a correct value. So precision, good precision instrument, it means the made, whatever they are making, these gaps and all, this should be very accurate. So good precision is very much important. But if your instrument is having some not good accuracy but having good precision, then we can calibrate that. Just like when you are using your vernier calipers in your lab, number of times you are using. So starting time it may possible they are matching with the zero line of vernier scale to the zero line of main scale. But after the number of use, it may some disturbance in the device. So at that time your this zero line of vernier scale is shifted with the zero line of main scale. So at that time accuracy they are not giving correct, but precision is good. Whatever gap is there, that always having the equal gaps. Whatever gaps in a vernier scale, that is giving the equal gaps. So precision is correct. Whatever when it was manufactured, at that time they have made good precision instrument. They are not given any this type of the mistakes. So it is having good precision, but just due to number of time we have used, this type of accuracy they are not getting it. The value whatever we are measuring, that is not close to the true value. So that we can calibrate. But if your instrument precision is not correct, so we cannot calibrate. So precision is very much important. Precision of instrument is very much important. One more thing, we know the ruler. Ruler we can measure up to 1 mm, minimum 1 mm. In a vernier scale we can measure up to 0.1 mm. Okay. And for the screw gauge we can measure up to 0.01 mm. Okay. So we can say the vernier scale is more precise than ruler, and screw gauge is more precise than vernier calipers because it is giving the value up to 0.01 mm. but it doesn't mean the ruler is not having the good precision. For their 1 mm, whatever they are having limiting, for that limit it is having good precision. They can say it's a good, better, best, because it's more precise. Up to 0.01 mm you can measure, so that's why it's good precise, but it doesn't mean it is bad. Okay, here is a no word of bad. It's a good, better, best, like that. So more precise you are going, but it is also having good precision. If its precision is not correct, then you cannot use this type of instrument. One more thing I want to tell you, just generally we are what is calibration? Calibration is the comparison between the known things, whatever you know, to the measured things, whatever you are going to measure. This calibration is not only for this screw gauge or vernier calipers, any type of measuring instrument. Just like you can take an example of viscometer, and you want to find the viscosity of any fluid. So what you will do? First, for checking your instrument is correct or not, for that you will do the checking of some known fluid like water. You know the viscosity of water, so you can use the water in the viscometer. Then you find the viscosity. If viscosity is correct, then your viscometer, your instrument is correct. But if it is not like that, it is giving some different value, and all time, if you 2 times, 3 times, 4 times you are measured that water, and that time always giving the same wrong value, so you can calibrate that. Like your viscosity is 1, just water viscosity of water is 1, and all time it is giving 1.5, all time, any time of year. So you can calibrate that. So if you are using any fluid which viscosity it's showing, the viscometer is showing 2, it means the viscosity of that fluid you have to minus this 0.5 value. So the viscosity of that fluid will be 1.5. So you can calibrate. So like this calibration for all type of instrument, this type of accuracy. So now we can understand what is the difference between accuracy and precision. Okay, accuracy is also important, but it should not be random. Precision is more important. Accuracy we can get through the calibration, but if your instrument is not precise, then you cannot do anything. You have to change your instrument. And then one more thing I want to tell you, what is error? So error is all. Error is generally difference between your true value to measured value. In accuracy, just like you have shown, here is more close, here some also error, some what is the value this time. Just for example, if I am taking this 1, this is 2, like this, na? So if I am taking 1, so if your measured value of 1, measured value for 1 is 2.01, okay, and for 2, if I am taking the measured value for the 2, equals to 2.012. So what is the error? Error will be, if the true value is, let's assume true value is 2 only, okay. So what is the error? Error is always difference between the measured value to the true value, okay. So whatever value you are getting, so here for 1 the error will be equals to 0.01, and here the error will equals to 0.12, like that. So for anything, for this, if you are taking to whatever measured value is difference between this, it is error. Difference between these two values is error. Here some little bit difference between these two values is error. So error is difference between the true value to measured value, and accuracy is what? How much your measured value is close to the true value, and precision is saying how much you are having consistency, always getting the same value if you are measuring number of times, okay. So now I think you will get the correct picture in your mind, what is accuracy, what is precision, and how can we correct the accuracy. But if precision is wrong, so we cannot do anything. So like that we can see. Okay, thank you.